Hi and welcome to today's video by Study UniFees. Today we'll be talking about the Berlin School of Business and Innovation, or BSBI as it is more commonly known. Today's video is in follow-up to previous videos promoting Germany as a study destination and Berlin as a student city. So today, let's explore Berlin School of Business and Innovation, find out a little bit more about this school and why it's such a great option for international students from all around the world. As you probably guessed, the main campus of the Berlin School of Business and Innovation is in Berlin, the capital city of Germany. But Berlin School of Business and Innovation, or BSBI, has several satellite campuses. Hamburg is another city in Germany. Barcelona is one of the major cities of Spain, and of course Paris is the capital of France. BSBI has campuses on all these locations. One of the most attractive things about BSBI is its reasonable tuition costs. You will be paying about 5,500 euros per year as tuition. When you take into account the quality of the education you'll be receiving at BSBI, this is more reasonable than you can expect in most parts of the world. However, there are some living expenses also. You will have to demonstrate to the German government that you can support yourself while living and studying in Germany. The annual expenses are considered the equivalent of 11,208 euros. This, in INR or Indian rupees, is about 10 lakhs. So, the total expenses for studying in BSBI will be something like 15.5 lakhs. Now, we will show you some of the pictures of the Berlin campus of BSBI. Now that you've already seen that BSBI has a beautiful and ultra-modern campus in Berlin, let's look at the range of programs that you can study at BSBI Germany, BSBI France, and BSBI Spain. At the undergraduate level, BSBI offers several majors. As you can see, economics and business administration for students who want to study business, tourism and hospitality management for those who want to go into the tourism field, animation and graphic design for those who have skills in these fields or want to create skills in these fields, photography, comic and concept art, and game design. These are all the BA programs in Berlin School of Business and Innovation, available at most of their locations. At the undergraduate level, BSBI also offers several BSc courses. At present, BSBI is offering a computer science and digitization program, along with BSc programs in digital marketing and social media, and international business and management and psychology. BSBI also has a range of grad programs or programs at the master's level. You can do an MA in finance and investment, international tourism, hospitality and strategic management, event management, energy management, user experience design, photography, and game design. Similarly, you can do an MSc in artificial intelligence, data analytics, IT management, engineering management, digital marketing, sports management, global logistics and supply chain management, global HR management, project management, and international health management. BSBI also has an MBA and a global MBA. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos like this about study destinations and institutions, like, share, and subscribe. To get your study in Germany plans on track, or to inquire directly about BSBI, log on to www.studyunifees.io to book a free consultation.